Hi children, how are you? How are you today? Hi my little children. Today we have our English class. Now it's time to review the English class. Vamos a revisar la clase que tuvimos el día de hoy. Let's review together, ¿ok? Vamos a revisarlas juntas, ¿ok? El día de hoy seguimos con la unidad 1. Welcome to school. Ok, recuerden que a partir del día de hoy, remember, okay, today we start to work with our book, Explorers, okay, Explorers, for 3 years, para los 3 años de Corefo, okay, remember this. It's necessary to get a book. Es necesario que tengan el libro to work together in English class, in our English, okay, in our English class. Es necesario que tengan el libro para poder trabajar. Okay, let's start the class and let's start review. Okay, we remember back to school. This is the name of the unit. Okay, we're going to start with a greeting. Review greetings. For example, this is our first greeting. Hello. Yes, hello, hello. Now next is hi, hi. I'll say when you finish the class, for example, you say bye means see you. Bye means, okay, bye. Okay, I introduce myself. Voy a presentarme. I am Paola. Hello, I am Paola. What's your name? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Hello, my name is Paola. I am Paola. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, let's introduce. Vamos a presentarte. For example, hello, my name is Princess. Yes, I am a princess. Okay, now we see the bus. Okay, let's start. The bus. El autobús. ¿De acuerdo? In this case, this is a school bus. A school bus. It's yellow bus. Okay? A school bus. So, that bus, there are 3 children. Yes, 3 children that go to school, que están yendo al colegio. ¿De acuerdo? This is a driver. Okay, este es el chofer. The bus. Okay. This is the bus stop. The bus stop is the place where you're waiting for your bus. Es el lugar donde tú esperas por tu bus. ¿De acuerdo? For to go, para ir, ¿ok? Someplace, algún lugar. In this case, to go to the school, ¿ok? Look, this is the bus stop. The children and the driver. The driver say, hi. And the children say, hello. And these children say goodbye. Se están despidiendo. Okay, now let's start with page 5 and 7. Okay? Work with the book, my children. Vamos a trabajar ahora con nuestro libro. Vamos a iniciar. Let's start with our book. Okay? So, this is the page 5. Okay, page 5. This is welcome to school. Okay. Welcome to school. ¿Qué vamos a hacer aquí? Okay. Look here. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 children. But when children is a white children. It's incomplete. Okay, está incompleto. So, with your crayon, con tus crayones, lo pintamos, ¿ok? Let's paint. Lo vamos a pintar, ¿ok? Le vamos a pintar the hair, ¿ok? You draw the eyes. Le vamos a dibujar los ojitos, ¿ok? A nose, una nariz, mouth y una boquita, ¿ok? And painting. For example, in this case, we paint your coat, ¿ok? A su abrigo le vamos a pintar de blue, de azul, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces, comenzamos a hacer nuestra actividad. Ok, en sus hojitas comenzamos a pintar. Ok, let's start paint and draw. Y comenzamos a dibujarle también face, to complete a face, para completarle su carita. Ok, Eso es lo que vamos a hacer con la página 5, ¿de acuerdo? Vamos a dibujarlo y you paint. And after, y después, nos vamos, go to page 7, ¿de acuerdo? Go to page 7. This is my page 7. So, look, pay attention here. Yes, can you see? Yes. Is a boy? Yes, I think it's a boy. But it isn't complete. It's a shadow. Es la sombra de un niño. ¿Ok? ¿Y qué vamos a hacer? ¿A dónde nos vamos a ir para encontrar ese niñito? ¿Ok? Page 7. So, ok. Go to the end of the book. Vámonos al final del libro. In this case here, there are stickers. Okay, look, there are stickers. Okay, you paste the sticker here to complete the picture, para completar la foto. Okay, okay, look, this is the sticker. Okay, you paste, lo vamos a pegar, ¿de acuerdo? Take out y lo vamos a pegar here to complete the picture. There are 3 children, son 3 niños. Okay. Ok, entonces vamos a comenzar a trabajar. If you have the book, si tienes el libro, trabajamos de esa manera. Si no, we continue to practice with the sheet. Vamos a continuar trabajando con las hojitas. But it's necessary and very important to get the book. Ok, es muy importante que ustedes tengan el libro. Ok, to work together at the same time, para trabajar juntos al mismo tiempo. Ok, children. That's all for today. Okay, that's all for today. We continue practice with your greeting. Okay, don't forget practice with your greeting. No olviden practicar los saludos. ¿De acuerdo? I introduce yourself. Hello, I am Paola in this case. Okay, so that's all for today. I am waiting for your work. Voy a esperar por sus trabajos. ¿De acuerdo? Okay, we see you on Saturday. Nos vemos el sábado. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you very much.